Hey there! Today is our 10th day before Christmas and we're going to be making a Disneyland treat. We're going to be making the Christmas cake that they offer at the PLAZA Inn. This is going to be a chocolate cake with some vanilla buttercream colored red and green. All the ingredients and recipes will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this cake. Start by getting your chocolate cake, get a cake board, and then you're going to need red, white, and green frosting. I'm going to start by placing a little bit of frosting on this cake board to place my first layer of chocolate cake. And then working from the outer area of the cake, I'm going to start with my white to make the outer stripe. I did make it a little too thick, so make sure you get it as thin as possible. And then I'm placing my green. And my red. And I will repeat this again with my white, green, and red. And I am using a 6-inch cake for this. Then you're going to place your second layer on there. And again, starting in the outer rim, pipe out your white frosting. And then the green. And the red. Then repeat again with your white, green, and red. And finally that last layer of cake. And then we're going to do a crumb coat on this. So it's just going to be a very thin layer of frosting to hold in all those crumbs, so you get a smooth, clean finish at the end. So with an offset spatula, I'm just going to spread this frosting out. Once I have the cake covered with frosting, I'm using my bench scraper and just cleaning it up. And then once I'm done with that, I will place it in the fridge so it can chill and harden. While it's chilling, get some yellow fondant, roll it out. And we're going to make the yellow stars that will be placed on the green frosting we will pipe out. Once your cake has had plenty of time to chill, I'm going to place another layer of frosting on here. So just get your buttercream and spread it out. So you're going to just spread this thick layer of frosting because we will add a design to it. The design is optional, but since I'm replicating the one at Disneyland, it does come with the design, so I'll be adding that. Use your bench scraper to smooth the cake out. And here I'm creating that design on it. And then I'm going to get a quarter sheet pan and my sprinkles. And this will be for the bottom of the cake. So just scoop some with your hand. I do suggest if you get this mix to put the snowflakes aside and use the jimmies first and then place the snowflakes, since as you can see a big area was covered with those. So then just do this all around the base of your cake. And then for the top there is a red rope, so I'm piping out this red frosting. All the tips I use will be in the description box. And then once I'm done piping that, I'm going to pipe the little green trees. And then the final touch of sprinkling some powdered sugar on there. And decorate with your fondant stars. And here's an inside look at the cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this cake and everything I will and have been making for 12 days of baked goods, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. If you want to keep up to date with all the recipes I will be posting, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.